Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alka. I'm gonna show you how to prepare one of the popular Indian street food noodles, egg hakka noodles or egg chow mein. This is the most lovable recipe across India with desi Chinese version. Let's begin with this recipe. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Alka. If you like my videos and recipes, do like, comment and share. If you are watching my video first time, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get further notification. I have here taken 150 gram of plain Ching's veg hakka noodles. You can take any other plain noodles of different brand as well. You need to first boil the noodles, which hardly takes 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna show you how to do it. For more details, you can check cooking instruction mentioned in this pack. Take a large pan, boil 1.5 liter of water. Drop the noodles once water starts boiling or bubbled. Boil the noodles for about 3 to 4 minutes over medium to high flame. Add half tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. This is to prevent sticking noodles with each other. In between, stir the noodles to keep it separated so that it will not get sticky while cooking. Noodles should be partially or 80% cooked. This is very important to get your perfect chow mein or hakka noodles. After 3 minutes, I am gonna check if noodles is ready or not. Take one piece of noodle and try to cut it with a spoon or try to break it with the help of your hands. If noodles breaks into 2 pieces easily, then that is the time you need to stop boiling. Drain the noodles using a sieve and wash under running normal water. This is to prevent noodles from overcooking. Adding normal water to drop its temperature so that it will not get more soft. Spread the noodles on a flat plate and keep it aside. Let's get on to the second process. I have taken some vegetables, 1 cup of green bell pepper or capsicum, 1 cup of chopped cabbage, 1 chopped onion, half cup of carrot and half cup of red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of spring onion, 10 to 12 chopped garlic and 1 chopped green chili. Take a kadhai or a big frying pan or a wok if you have. Pan needs to be heated properly over high flame. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped garlic, green chili and onion. Saute it for about half minute. This entire cooking should be done only on high flame, so keep stirring. Adding chopped cabbage and carrot, stir fry for about 1 minute. If you want to add more color and flavor, you can add boiled chicken, mushroom or chopped spinach of your choice. Capsicum takes less time to cook. Adding green capsicum and red capsicum, mix everything together and stir fry for about 1 more minute. Don't cook more time, vegetables should be crunchy. Salt to taste. Adding salt only for vegetables as I have already added salt in noodles, and soy sauce contains salt, so adding minimum salt is recommended. 1 tablespoon of vinegar and then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it well. One tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, followed by 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. You can add 1 more tablespoon of green chili sauce if you want more spicy. Mix everything together. Toss noodles with veggies with the help of fork and spatula using 2 hands. Toss it until noodles are mixed properly. Garnish with spring onion, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of crushed red chili flakes. Do a stir fry for about half minute. Basic veg Hakka noodles is done now. Since I am preparing egg noodles, beat 2 eggs and add salt to taste only for egg and mix it. Take a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Pour the egg mixture, start stirring it gently. Make it into scrambled egg. It's done now. I prefer bigger piece of eggs. You can make into smaller piece if you want. Now adding scrambled egg to noodles. Give it a good mix. Garnish with some spring onion. Our delicious egg Hakka noodles or chow mein is ready. Serve hot and enjoy with some side dish or Szechuan chutney or tomato ketchup. I normally have this straight without any side dish. So friends, if you like my recipes, do like, comment and share with your friends and family. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye and enjoy.